Here I have BLACKVIEW A20 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here let's open the list of all apps. Right here we need to find and select the settings. So from the list of settings, let's simply find and choose System. Here you need to tap Languages and Input, and right here let's tap Languages from the top of the screen. Alright, as you can see here, in my case I'm using English from United States, but if you would like to change your language, let's tap Add a Language, and here you've got the full list of available languages that you can use on that device. So, for example, in my case, let me find and select the Espanol, so the Spanish. Let's choose the region, it could be the España. And now all you have to do is just place the Espanol into the first position, and as you may notice, the whole list of settings and also apps are in Spanish. If you would like to go back to previous version, just find and select Sistema, tab idiomas introducción de texto, tab idiomas again, and let's place English into the first position. That's it. So everything went well, the English version pops up. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.